Check out this JBL Quantum 400 headset. Look how nicely it's wrapped in this colorful big box. While this headset works best with Windows PC, it is also compatible with all other operating systems and gaming consoles. The build quality of this headset feels decent, is relatively lightweight, and the foam is very comfortable, and the noise isolation is very good. Here are the long plastic fiber USB Type-C and audio cables, and some papers in the bag. I love it that these cables are detachable. I bought the Quantum 400 headset after my 10-year-old Logitech G35 broke, so these volume rockers better not fail for the next couple of years. I have noticed some weirdness with this headset. I haven't seen this in other headsets, but when I touch the USB cable, I can hear it loudly in the left ear. A slight rub of the cable is loudly heard. This is annoying and I don't understand it. I'm just trying not to move around much while listening. I like it that this microphone has this nice indicator light and it can be muted just by lifting it. The RGB lights are cool and can be adjusted using the JBL Windows app. You can also use the app to choose one of the sound modes such as surround, DTS or normal. The sound is very different for every mode. While the surround setting may be best for games, in my opinion, the normal or DTS setting just sound a little better. Here's also the equalizer and such, but that's just boring. Overall, I like this headset. It sounds good, it's comfortable, and it has detachable cables. So why not?